Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Evoworks Evo75. It's a tri-mode 75% keyboard with a quick-release CNC aluminum case priced just under $170. It's their second pre-built keyboard, and it might just be the best one available now. There are 10 color options available in 2 types of plate and switch combos. In this video, I have the spray-coated Nova White variant paired with the polypropylene plate and rye switch. Starting off with the unboxing, there's some paperwork for the keyboard, a rated Type A to Type C cable, a switch and keycap puller, 2 extra pairs of silicone gaskets, the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver, 3 Mac OS keycaps, 3 extra switches, a hard plastic protective cover, and the Evo75 keyboard, which is quite heavy, weighing just under 2 kilograms or 4.4 pounds. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has an exploded 75% layout with some RGB lighting and mode toggle button above the arrow keys, 2 dotted RGB lightings at the sides of the function keys, the tri-mode toggle switch and Type-C port on the left side on the back, an 8-degree typing angle in this nicely rounded case, 4 non-slip feet on the bottom, and a mirror finish weight in the middle with the Evo75 branding. The keyboard also comes with matching cherry profile dice-out PBT keycaps that are quite thick, Neo-Rye linear switches that are pre-looped from the factory and has a deep Thockiest sound signature, pre-looped plate-mounted stabilizers with no rattle, a leaf spring-mounted polypropylene plate for a softer typing feel, and a 5-pin hot swap south-facing flex-cut PCB with per-key RGB. Besides that, the case uses a quick-release ball catch design for easy assembly and disassembly. The PCB and daughterboard also uses magnetic pins for a cable-free experience. Diving into the components in the bottom case, there's 2 pieces of sound dampening foam, and the 8000 mAh battery with the daughterboard covered under here. On the sides, there's the force brake mods on each corner, the ball catch mechanism that holds the case together, and the leaf springs to mount the plate. As for the plates and PCB, there isn't any screws here, and there's 3 pieces of mods, which includes a PET sheet, an IXPE switch pad, and a Poron plate foam that go in between the plates and PCB. Carrying on to the software, the Evo75 is compatible with VIA. With the JSON file, you can remap all of the layers and keys, record and import macros, save and load different layouts, and configure all of the RGB lighting's brightness, effects, and speed. For the performance, the keyboard feels really nice to type on with a softer experience, and this also works nice for gaming in my opinion. This is of course also made better with how deep and talky the keyboard sounds, so here is the typing sound test, please enjoy. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Evoworks Evo75. If you're in the market for a great pre-built keyboard, this is the one to get. Quality-wise, it's great with high-end materials and components, which matches nicely with the design and feel. Plus, if you don't like the variant in the video, there are 10 color options to choose from. The keyboard is really easy to customize too, not only with VIA support, but with the quick release case and wire-free components. Honestly, if you're a long-time keyboard enthusiast or just getting into this hobby, for $170, the Evo75 might be the best pre-built currently available. So if you're interested in the Evoworks Evo75, it will be linked in the description below, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Evoworks for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.